my dear students, I am Shilpa. In the last session we discussed the types of index number, price index number, quantity index number and then value index number. In this session we will discuss on test for adequacy of index number. Yes my dear students, we know that many formulas or different formulas or methods in the constructions of index number. Here among that index numbers or among that formulas we selected for appropriate one. If it is consistent, if it satisfies some tests. So in that first one you need to test and then second one TRT. TRT is nothing but or it stands for time reversal test. And then third one FRT. FRT stands for factor reversal test. And fourth one circular test. First one is unit test. Here index numbers are independent of units, in which the price and quantities of commodities or the price and quantities of goods are to be quoted, and the concept of unit test is satisfied by all the index numbers, nothing but unweighted and weighted index numbers, but it except the simple aggregative method or the index number. Here the concept of unit test is satisfied by all the index numbers except simple aggregative method or simple aggregative price index number. Then next one TRT, that is factor reversal test. The concept of TRT was proposed by Professor Irving Fisher. Here the name itself shows that time reversal test. Here time is nothing but we consider for the time that is current year and base year. Then reversal is nothing but interchanging. So according to Professor Irving Fisher, he defined the time reversal test is nothing but interchanging of current year and the base year. That means here we know that the price index number is denoted by P01. So here price index number is denoted by P01. If it is interchanging of current year and the base year, here base year is denoted as 0 and the current year is denoted as 1. So if it is interchanged, so we write it as P10. That means you have to write 1 instead of 0 and you have to write 0 instead of 1. This is the reversal. That means interchanging of that is current year and the base year. Here and then time reversal test is the reciprocal of the earlier. That means reciprocal is nothing but if the reciprocal of 5, that is considered as 1 divided by 5. Then reciprocal of 2 considered as 1 divided by 2. Then reciprocal of 3, 1 divided by 3. We write like this: reciprocal of 5, 1 divided by 5. Reciprocal of 2, that is 1 divided by 2. Then reciprocal of 3, that is 1 divided by 3. In the same sense, in a time reversal test, reciprocal of the price index number. Here price index number is denoted by P01. Reciprocal of the price index number is considered as 1 divided by P01. So here in the considerations of time reversal test, we considered 1 divided by P01. If it is time reversed, that is P10. After that, the next step is that P01 into P10, which is equal to 1. This is the equations which is related to the time reversal test, that is P01 into P10 which is equal to 1. So this is the equation for time reversal test. Then the main point is that in the time reversal test which is not expressed in terms of percentage. For example, the Lascaris price index numbers formula is that summation P1 Q0 divided by summation P0 Q0 into 100. We mentioned that is into 100 in the Lascaris price index number. But here in the time reversal test, in the calculations of time reversal test, we didn't consider the expressed, or we didn't consider the multiplication of 100 because it is not expressed in terms of percentage. Then the concept of time reversal test is, it is not satisfied by Lascaris, then Pastures, and then Darvish-Bowles price index number. Darvish-Bowles price index number. Yes, as we already studied the weighted price index numbers in that weighted average, weighted aggregative method. In the weighted aggregative method, Lascaris method, Pastures method, Marshall-Edgeworth, Darvish-Bowles and Keeley's method. Here the time reversal test is not satisfied. It is not satisfied. Lascaris price index number, Pastures price index number, Darvish-Bowles price index number. Then it is satisfied by, what are the index numbers? Satisfied by, the remaining index numbers are Marshall-Edgeworth, and then another one is Fisher's price index number, and the another one is Keeley's price index number. You remember that time reversal test is not satisfied by Lascaris, Pastures, Darvish-Bowles price index number, and it is satisfied by Marshall-Edgeworth, Fisher's price index number and Keeley's price index numbers. Here there is a step how to calculate or verify whether the Lascaris, Pastures, Darvish-Bowles, Marshall-Edgeworth, Fisher's, Keeley's index number satisfy TRT. Sometimes they ask in the examination, verify. Let us study one by one. Here, verify whether Lascaris price index number, Lascaris price index number satisfy TRT. This is the questions which is related to the TRT. Verify whether Lascaris price index numbers satisfy TRT. But we know that Lascaris price index numbers satisfy TRT. Here, if it satisfies, we written as equal to 1. That means because the time reversal test equation is that P01 into P10 which is equal to 1. If it satisfies, we write equal to 1. If it is not satisfied, we write it is not equal to 1. Let us study. Here, first you have to write step by step how it satisfies. You prove that how it satisfies TRT. Here, I am taking Lascaris price index number. First write Lascaris method. Lascaris method. In the Lascaris method, consider Lascaris price index number. Last price index number. First here you write like this Laplace method. Consider Laplace price index number. So write the Laplace price index number. Here formula for calculating the Laplace price index number is that Laplace price index number, which is equal to summation P1 Q0 divided by summation P0 Q0. Whether we write into 100, that means because here we not write the into 100 because it is not expressed in terms of percentage in the concept of TRT. Next step, Laplace price index number with time reversed. Time reversed is nothing but interchanging of 0 and 1. Here we have to interchange the 0 and 1. We write 1 instead of 0 and we write 0 instead of 1. So Laplace price you have to interchange because this step is that time reversed. So 0 in the line you write 1, here 1 you write 0. Next summation P is same, then 1 you write 0, Q you write 1 divided by summation P1 Q1. This is the formula when the Laplace price index numbers with the time reverse, that means interchanging of 0 and 1. And the next step, according to TRT. According to TRT, we know that the equations for calculating the time reversal test. P01 into P10, which is equal to 1. So here we write like this. First you write the P01 formula here, then P10 formula here, then you put the sign, multiplication sign. So write the P01 formula here, that is summation P1 Q0 divided by summation P0 Q0 into, here multiplication sign, then P10 formula, here P10 formula is here, write the same formula here, summation P0 Q1 divided by summation P1 Q1, which is equal to 1. Is it equal to 1? No, because Laplace price index numbers does not satisfy TRT, so you write here not equal to 1. So last conclusion is that thus Laplace price index number does not satisfy TRT. You write like this, the conclusion, thus Laplace price index number does not satisfy TRT. Here next we consider the Pasteur's price index number. Verify whether Pasteur's price index numbers satisfy TRT. Here we consider Pasteur's price index number. So we write here Pasteur's method. In the Pasteur's method, consider Pasteur's price index number. So we write here Pasteur's price index number formula. Here in the case of Pasteur's index number, we consider current year quantity as weights, because summation P1 Q1 divided by summation P0 Q0, Q1 is the formula for calculating that Pasteur's formula. Next step is that Pasteur's price index number with the time reversed. That means interchanging 1 and 0. Here this is same here, but you write here Pasteur's price with the time reversed formula is that summation same, P1 is nothing but that is here P0. In the Q1 we write it is Q0. Next summation is same, here P1 that is P0 P1, Q1 is write as Q0. The next step same, according to TRT P01 into P10 which is equal to 1. Then here we interchange that, there P0 1 formula right here, because here Q1, this is the formula for Pasteur's method, and this is the formula for reversed formula, that is not equal to 1, because we know that it does not satisfy TRT. Here we write, thus Pasteur's price index numbers does not satisfy TRT. This is the Laspeyres and Pasteur's, how it satisfies TRT or how it is not satisfy TRT. Next concept, Marshall-Edgeworth. Here Marshall-Edgeworth. Verify whether Marshall-Edgeworth price index numbers satisfy TRT. So we write here Marshall-Edgeworth method. In the Marshall-Edgeworth method, you consider Marshall-Edgeworth price index number. Marshall-Edgeworth price index number. So we write the Marshall-Edgeworth price index formula, that is Marshall-Edgeworth price index number, which is equal to summation P1 Q0 divided by summation P0 Q0, right here plus in both numerator and denominator, then summation P1 Q1 divided by summation P0 Q1. This is the formula for calculating Marshall-Edgeworth price index number. Then next step, Marshall-Edgeworth price index number with time reversed. To reverse these values, that means years. So here Marshall-Edgeworth price index number, that is summation P1, that is P0 here, summation P1 Q0 here, right here the reversed formula, summation P0 Q1 divided by summation P1 Q1 plus summation P0 Q0 summation P1 Q0. This is the reversed formula. Then next step is according to TRT P01 into P10 which is equal to 1. Then write both the formulas here. Right here both the formulas, that is summation P1 Q0 divided by summation P0 Q0 plus summation P1 Q1 summation P0 Q1. Then here multiplication sign, then P10 formulas, here summation P0 Q1 divided by summation P1 Q1 plus summation P0 Q0 divided by summation P1 Q0. We already know that the Marshall-Edgeworth price index numbers satisfies TRT, so equal to 1. Right here equal to 1. This is the concept in the how the Marshall-Edgeworth satisfy TRT. In the same way, we consider Dolbesch-Bowles's, Fisher's, and then Keeley's price index numbers, how it satisfies TRT. We will discuss in the next class. Thank you.